Hello guys, how are you? Today we will discuss about BitGame. This is a number one gaming platform. We will discuss about everything. So let's start. BitGame is a professional blockchain, sports and iGaming platform that supports more than 20 cryptocurrencies including BTC, Ethereum, BNB and USDT and is available in English, Japanese, Korean and Vietnamese. Through state of the art technology and a wealth of experience in the sports betting industry, the platform offers an exciting entertainment experience and an insight into the innovate play to earn trend for blockchain sports. So you can subscribe my channel. This is a wonderful platform where you can earn cryptocurrencies by playing games. There are different gaming competition are held on the platform. You can join their sports and you can earn cryptocurrencies. You can also earn cryptocurrencies and loot token. LUT token is hold on reward. You can earn reward by holding loot token. So you can check out the home page. Here is home page and everything is here. You can join the different games. You will click on the games. You will see here are different games where you can play and earn games. Here you can see the total jackpot are 2280476 and bit fishing between special card type different games are playing here. So we can see their light paper. The light paper explore the use case in technical detail and instruct value of the immutable lucky token LUT, bridging the gap between online sports betting and cryptocurrency. LUT plays supporting role in the emerging BitGame ecosystem. The light paper will also explore some of the key insights that lead to the development of LUT and explain why LUT will be leading the future of the exciting industry. Having been involved in iGaming and sport industry for over 10 years, BitGame currently legally operates in more than 100 countries and is actively exploring even wide coverage at BitGame. Our goal is to combine conventional sport and parlor game with blockchain using a mathematical encryption, distributed data storage token, economic and other positive properties of blockchain technology, providing our user with an open, secure and mutually beneficial digital token entertainment platform. BitGame is a professional blockchain sport iGaming platform that supports more than 20 cryptocurrencies. With the constant development of international sport betting, we expect similar product to emerge on the market. The rules and system, however, will be still retain a considerate degree of centralized control by sporting platform. We believe this is a principal issue in the development of this space and believe that blockchain technology will play a key role in the future of governance, clearance, despite resolution and availability. BitGame seek to be the general solution to these centralized betting platform by providing infrastructure for smart contracts that can resolve settlement issues and prevent match data from being tampered with, adding more credibility to the platform while reducing fees through innovative technology to enhance the overall experience of the online sport. So you can join this platform and you can earn different cryptocurrencies on this platform. So we will more discuss about BitGames in next video. Thanks for watching my video.